So this is the third property Ken bought since being in the mentorship. He's in it, even though it's the last property that he bought, he's put it back on the market and he's on it for just under a year. So why are you selling this one and not keeping it?
I'm selling this one here because it's not as close to the ones in Fairfield, even though it's not that far. And also to the area, I don't see it improving in the next couple of years. And I want to take advantage of the current tenants. The lease doesn't expire until October of 2025. So I've got a lot of time. Right now it's doing very, very well. It's a good investment, but I'm just trying to get ahead of the curve where I want to try to sell. There could be some owner financing. And if I can make a couple $100,000 in a year, I'm fine with that.
Absolutely. So again, good looking building. And look at all these properties have been on 5-lane roads.
It's
So
very busy street. And what's nice on this side road is it's residential. And you have all this parking on the always open from the street.
it's got a lot of parking. So he's like he's saying, he's got a lot of off-property parking up and down here if it was needed. And so we'll go take a look.
And this occupancy over here, Tom, was newly rented. They just extended their lease for another 2 years on the right over here.
Yeah, so Kim was explaining earlier that this is a really prime time to sell it because your tenancy it's very important to a bank. When they see that there's a lease, they know it's going to be full. It makes them feel secure. And so he secured some nice leases on this property at a higher price, more per month than when he took it over. And so he's got a nice building. He's got about a year of tenancy in there and leases that are extending beyond that. He added his value when he brought the property up to market value on the rents, and now he's going to cash in on it.
Let's go in and check out the building here.
Wow, looking good.
That's an office space over here.
So that's a shared?
No, this is just got one person in it right now is the one tenant. It used to be a whole office, but she basically now working from the house.
So you have multiple suites within this hall.
Correct. And you can go back here and check out back here. This is like a reception desk here. Just kind of a little, the staples or whatever. And then here's a nice little conference room over here.
Oh yeah, you got a good deal, Ken.
Yeah. Yeah.
Look at that. 3 great deals. Yeah,
you know what this would be good for too, Tom? I think it's like the massage part of the place, nails possibly.
Law firm.
Exactly. It's perfect.
It's really
Yeah.
really nicely decorated. Very clean.
So look back here, Tom. There's more room here, and then
This tenant's moving out?
well, she's trying to. We've got it for sale and potential lease. She wants to get out of the lease.
I see.
She doesn't need it anymore. Space,
Wow.
but she's in it there until October of 2025.
Yeah. She's got a responsibility.
Bathroom over there, and they have a full shower over there too.
Oh yeah, that's a massage bar.
Yeah, exactly.
Wow. And a shower.
I'm sorry, the shower is in the bathroom.
Oh, I got
I think it is. You see? Yeah, see the shower right there.
Oh yeah. Very cool.
So this is pretty much ready to be
It's a
ready.
prime.
You see, because you don't have to do a whole lot.
How many square foot, if you just made this a massage parlor, how many rooms would it be?
2,500.
Oh, okay. Well, that's a big massage parlor.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Reception area. Wow. There's a doctor's office too.
This is that. I didn't want to say anything, but basically, the owner called and said, "Listen, the toilet's not working. How do you want to work this out? It's going to cost me about $1,300, believe it or not.
Yeah.
The toilet's about $900 and about $400 or $500 for the labor, $400 for the labor." I said, "Listen, because I'm trying to sell the building and she's a good tenant," I said, "I'll take care of it."
Yeah.
That's what I did.
Yeah. I do the same thing.
So it's always a good time to sell when you want to sell, not when you have to sell.
Right. Yeah. You have options.
You have options.
That's really the best thing in the world. Like I say, so we've suffered a little bit of a downturn here. Interest rates have gone up. And see, that's your hedge against a downturn is when you buy property under market, you have options. You can keep it and weather it because you bought it right, or you can sell it and still make some money. Maybe not as much as you'd hoped for if things would have kept going great, but these are the options you have when you buy it right, because so many people buy and then they're stuck. They're stuck for 10 years. a nightmare.
Nice about this area here, Thomas, is that again, there's parking, it's residential, so it's quiet, although it's super busy over here.
It's like Burbank, California. It's very interesting.
Yeah, I mean, you have, look at all the spaces that you have, Thomas, for people who have, you know, the two occupancies there.
So you have a shared access parking, but your parking extends the width of your building.
Exactly. And then the side parking over here on both sides of the street will make up any difference that you
Yeah,
might need.
your overflow is this whole neighborhood.
Yeah,
It's awesome.
yeah.
Yeah, this is a great one, kid. Really, really nice. Thanks for showing us.